Hello everyone, welcome to It's Tomorrow News. This is R. Sriram with the latest India weather update. Snowfall, storms and hail risk. IMD warns of heavy rain and strong winds in the next 48 hours. Weather turns extreme across North India as snowfall in the hills and storms in the plain have triggered a 48-hour alert. IMD warns of hail, lightning and strong winds, raising concerns over crop damage and falling temperatures. A sudden shift in weather patterns has intensified cold conditions across North India, with fresh snowfall in the hills and thunderstorms, hail and strong winds forecast over several states in the next 48 hours. The change is being driven by an active western disturbance impacting both mountainous and plains regions. According to meteorological assessments, the system had led to falling temperatures and unstable weather conditions across multiple states. Delhi NCR and surrounding regions experienced cloudy skies throughout the day, followed by light to moderate rain accompanied by thunder and lightning in the evening. The temperature has dropped noticeably, bringing back chilly conditions. In the higher altitudes of Jammu and Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh and Uttarakhand, fresh snowfall has been recorded, further intensifying the cold. The impact is also being felt in nearby plains. Weather authorities have issued a 24 to 48 hour alert, warning of thunderstorms, lightning, gusty winds of 30 to 50 kilometers per hour, rainfall and snowfall in the hilly regions, including Uttarakhand, Himachal Pradesh, Ladakh and Jammu and Kashmir. States such as Delhi, Rajasthan, Haryana, Punjab, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar and Madhya Pradesh may witness dust storms, rain, hailstorms and lightning strikes. Additionally, eastern and northeastern states including Odisha, Sikkim, Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh and West Bengal are also under alert for thunderstorms and heavy rainfall. The sudden weather activity has raised concerns over potential damage to standing rabi crops, particularly wheat and mustard. Strong winds, hailstorms and heavy rain could impact agricultural output in affected regions. In Jammu and Kashmir, continuous rain and snowfall have brought back cold conditions across the valley. Meanwhile, parts of Rajasthan including Jaipur, Jodhpur, Bikaner, Ajmer, Udaipur and Kota divisions are likely to experience storms and rainfall over the next 2 days. The state has already recorded a drop of 3 to 5 degrees Celsius in maximum temperatures due to the changing weather. Weather activity is expected to persist in Himachal Pradesh and Uttarakhand, especially in higher regions. Areas such as Lahaul Spiti, Kulu, Mandi, Simla, Chamba and Kangra may witness heavy snowfall and rain in the coming days. Unseasonal rainfall and strong winds lashed several parts of Gujarat yesterday, disrupting normal life across multiple districts. The district of Kutch was significantly impacted with heavy spells reported in Nakhatrana, Lakhpat, Abdasa, Bhuj, Mandvi and Mundra. Similar weather patterns were observed in Rajkot, Junagadh, Dwarka, Morbi, Botad and Jamnagar in the Saurashtra region. In Bhavnagar, residents faced difficulties due to intense dust storms and whirlwinds, while the Surendranagar district experienced a mini cyclone early this morning. That's all for now. For more weather news updates like this, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for regular updates. Thank you.